Do you remember how player 042 acts like a villain in the recent Mr. Beast challenge? Let's watch this.
43 knows that if she stops eliminating people and gives up control of the wheel, the next person could potentially eliminate her. 66. All right. Right over there.
43. I know it's a hard decision for you, but I'd like to say.
Oh, that's a really big cry.
If you let her stay, she gets control.
Unfortunately, you're eliminated.
I just want to let you know, I'm going to miss your snoring.
What do you say, feeling?
I'm going to miss your snoring.
Now I start feeling your pain, but you just cruel.
I miss you already.
Do you think player 042 will ever be featured in a Mr. Beast Megamod video?